is Magnus. This is a 1964 Maserati Sebring. It's actually my father's car, and it's kind of undergone a long-term restoration over the past basically 20 years. It's really a never-ending project. We've got got a lot of history with this car. When I was young, I used to drive around in it back when it was kind of not this, but a lot, not quite to this caliber of finished product. So there used to be holes in the floor, and you'd look down and you're like, what's the road's down there? He's like, don't worry about it, we'll be fine. So a lot of history for me with this car. And anyway, so we finished it about 3 years ago, although it's never really finished. And we were at Pebble Beach in 2024, and it took third in class. And yeah, so it's been a long road. And yeah, it's a little daunting to drive it around town, but it's certainly a fun, beautiful, elegant car, as there are others here. But yeah, it's a fun time.